Panko versus breadcrumbs. Which one is better? Let's find out. So you're gonna use flour, eggs, panko, breadcrumbs. It's a little windy out here, but the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna flatten out these two pieces of chicken breast. Alright, so we are ready to start the experiment. We got the flour ready. We got the egg wash, panko, and we got the breadcrumbs. And look how much different panko and Progresso breadcrumbs are. Completely different texture. Completely different texture. They look different. Progresso is a lot darker. Here's the chicken breast that we flattened out earlier. I'm gonna flour it first. This one's gonna go into panko. I'm gonna flour it good, cover everything real good. Alright. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna shake it off. We're gonna shake it off. Into the egg wash it goes. And egg wash it. Now we're gonna move it into panko. Shake that egg off. And whoa, here he goes. It looks good. And you don't want to press too hard because then it's not gonna get fluffy. So don't press too hard on it when you're breading your meat. Okay. This is gonna be the panko. So this is gonna be okay. So the panko one is ready. Let's do the Progresso breadcrumbs. So the second chicken breast. And it goes into Progresso breadcrumbs. I can already tell the difference, guys. This one, the Progresso, in my opinion, it sticks way better to the chicken. And look how fast it got coated. It took less than half a time to coat this piece of chicken. Versus panko. And here's what it looks like. So you got panko versus Progresso breadcrumbs. Let's go fry them up. This is the panko side going in first. Breadcrumbs. Oh, look at that. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful that panko is. Let's do the Progresso breadcrumbs. Outstanding. Oh, they are beautiful. They are beautiful, both of them. Beautiful. So we're done. And here is Progresso breadcrumbs. Amazing. Beautiful. Panko. Beautiful. I don't know how I'm going to decide between these two. Let's cut into breadcrumbs first. Now let's try this Progresso breadcrumbs chicken breast. I'm just gonna try it plain because I want to taste, see which one is better. Excellent, really good, really good. So if you just made chicken this way, this would be your basic chicken Milanese recipe. If you went into like an Italian restaurant for dinner and you ordered chicken Milanese, this is what you would get: breaded chicken with side of maybe pasta or polenta, you know, whatever the individual restaurant serves. But this is basically your chicken Milanese. Now you can easily turn this into a chicken Parmesan by adding some tomato sauce on it to it and topping it with some mozzarella cheese. You can easily turn this into a chicken parm sandwich, or a dinner, serve it with some pasta on the side. Be a great dinner. So let's try the panko. So let's get into panko chicken breast. Same thing, perfectly cooked. Beautiful coating. Look at that. Look how good that coating is. Look how good that is. It's perfect. Look at that coating, it's perfect. From the bottom. Amazing. Alright, panko chicken breast. Okay, here's the difference. I mean, it's obvious. Panko is 100% crispier than breadcrumbs. So if you like crispy, you have to go with panko. It's 100% crispier. It tasted great. Don't get me wrong, Progresso breadcrumbs tasted great, but it was just different. It wasn't as crispy. They were really flavorful though. They had those Italian season. It was seasoned with the Italian seasonings and all of that, which you can do to panko too. You can just put any seasonings. You can season them with anything you want, and basically make it your own, right? But if you like crispy, you have to go with panko. If you don't care about crispy, go with the breadcrumbs, and they're completely different in that way. One is panko is really crispy, and breadcrumbs are not. So both of them taste really good. I enjoy. I'm gonna go finish this right after this video, and as always, let me know in the comments below which one you prefer. You like the crispy or not so crispy? Which one is better for you? Which one works better for you? Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.